Hey, how's it going? It's me, Brennan Galley, and today I'm going to do a bunch of acoustic guitar riffs, and I'm going to upload those to a Dropbox link, and they're going to be at 48K 24-bit. And the idea is that you'll have a bunch of royalty-free content to use in your own productions if you want it. With the other videos, I did a bunch of synth and guitar and piano and all this stuff. This is going to be a lot more simple today. This is just going to give you some basic riffs that will be able to help out your production. So let's do it. Great, thanks a lot. That link is posted. It's at 82 BPM, and just download the content and use it and enjoy it. Thanks for watching my videos.